Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are about to go get our hair done. So I'm showing you guys what the hair looks like after I dyed it black. This is the Wiggins hair. It's 28 inches. It's super long. I don't know if I'm going to keep it this long or if I'm going to get it trimmed a little bit, but I'm going for a super sleek look. I just want like straight bust down middle part, super sleek with a few layers maybe. So
maybe it's the love, the drugs. Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed. Maybe I'm just fucked up. Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need her. Maybe I'm just fucked up. Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need her. Maybe I'm just fucked up.
I said a thought gon' be a thought, so I'm like, fuck these bitches. My son got a mother and I love her, so it's different. I'm in for one night, so baby girl, what you sippin'? I'm on some bullshit, but 94 Scotty Pippen. Let's say the last dancer when I'm drunk and when I'm hitting. Your boyfriend lane, that boy push, that boy getting like me out. Come home to me now. It's me and my niggas, we lit and we wild.
Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need her. Maybe I'm just fucked up. Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need her. Maybe I'm just fucked up. I wanna have more patience, but you're so territorial. I can't even kick it cause you're watching my story though. I got what you seen and I got something you don't need to know. I done gave more dick than a little. I know I'm the reason that you freaking out. You wish you could be the reason that I settled down. You done gave me all I wanted, but I still got reasons I should fuck around. Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need her. Maybe I'm just fucked up. The love, the drugs, the weed. Maybe I'm just fucked up. Maybe it's the love. Maybe it's the love. Maybe it's the love. The drugs. The weed. Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need her. Maybe I'm just fucked up. Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need her. Maybe I'm just fucked up. I wanna have more patience, but you're so territorial. I can't even kick it cause you're watching my story though. I got what you seen and I got something you don't need to know. I done gave.
okay, so I am back from getting my hair installed. I'm so mad because I recorded the process, but then I ran out of storage. So the camera cut off. But this is the body wave texture from Wiggins Hair. I think it's Brazilian body wave. I'll have the exact texture linked down below though. But I did dye the hair jet black so it can match my leave out. And you guys, I was so nervous because I didn't think that my hair would blend with this hair, because y'all know I don't really do like straight hair textures unless it's like kinky or yucky. But now I know, baby, I can rock body wave. Like, look at the blend. Look at the blend. And the girl that did my hair did my install so flat. And look at it. This is 28 inches. I didn't get any of the hair cut. Sorry. I know I have on black, so it's kind of hard to see where the hair stops. But 28 inches stops at my thigh. So this is what it looks like, so y'all can see the length. And it's so flowy, literally so breezy. It's so lightweight too. I believe she used almost all 4 bundles, so I have like 3.5 bundles in my head. And I absolutely love it. And this time I have minimal leave out. I normally leave out a lot of hair because I like this much edges out and like this much middle out. But middle is literally like this, and then my edges are like a slither, like literally a slither. And I love that. If you're getting like a silkier texture hair, the less leave out the better, because you don't have to worry about much. So yeah, I do want to curl this hair. I really want to cut some layers in it, but I'm loving the like sleekness of it, you know? So I probably won't cut any layers in the hair until I do curl it, but I love it. The hair is amazing. It feels amazing. Look at the sheen in it. Look at the content. Look at the quality. I love me some Wiggins hair. And yeah, so this is the install. Yeah, when I do style the hair, I'll come back and do that. I absolutely love it. I can't stop running my fingers through it. It's so long. I was like so nervous because 28 inches and I don't have nowhere to go. I don't have nowhere to be. But this is giving birthday hair. This is giving event hair, sleigh hair. Like, for me, I just want to be cute on a Tuesday. So that's what we did. My install is so flat. I love that for me. So yeah, I'll be back when I actually style the hair. Okay, so I just washed the hair. This is the hair freshly blow dried. I did want to curl the hair, but I kind of wanted to do like a blowout look. So I've been using my Babyliss Pro. This is like a brush blow dryer. This is what I'm using to kind of like give my hair a flick on the end. So you see it has like a cute little flick. So that's all I did to this side. And this is what the hair looks like wet.
I know I'm the reason that you're freaking out. You wish you could be the reason that I settled down. You done gave me all I wanted, but I still got reasons I should fuck around. Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all in love. Maybe I don't need her. Maybe I'm just fucked up.
And that's all I've been doing. And you can see it has like a cute little flick at the end, just to give it like a flirty, poofy. It just gives it kind of like that effortless look. Here's the hair all blown out. It is so cute because when I originally got it done, it was sleek, super straight. So I love the little flick It just gives like a playfulness to the hair, and it is so lightweight. Now, my leave out. We need to figure out my leave out. What it looks like, no flat iron. I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair so that it'll blend. While my iron heats up, I'm just gonna go in with some Olaplex bonding oil as a heat protector. Ooh, the sheen it gives. And I'm taking big sections. So I'm just going to just straighten it because it's my ends that really need to be straightened. Boom. Not boom, but you know what I mean. The way my hair just easily blends in. Stop it. Stop it. So, yeah. I mean, I guess you can kind of see the difference between my hair being straightened and not. It's sleek. And then you can see like it's kind of frizzy. Super long. It's flowy again. It just blows with the wind. I love this hair. And yeah, this is a Brazilian body wave hair from Wiggins, 28 inches. I did dye the hair jet black, and I just used the Revlon box dye. I don't have one to show you, but I used the Revlon Color Silk and Blue Black. Yeah, so the match is like perfect. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little maintenance update. And of course, I'll have a link to the texture that I'm wearing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.